Hey there, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental HTML element that's often overlooked, but plays a crucial role in structuring web pages, the main tag. Stick around because understanding how to use this tag effectively can greatly improve the accessibility and organization of your websites. Have you ever wondered where the main content of a web page should go? Well, that's where the main tag comes into play. Let's dive in and uncover its significance. Let's start with the basics. The main tag is like the heart of a web page. It's where the primary content lives, the stuff that your visitors are really interested in. Discuss how the main tag should contain the most important content of your web page, such as articles, blog posts, product listings, or any other content that directly relates to the main purpose of the page. Emphasize the importance of the main tag for accessibility. Screen readers and other assistive technologies use this tag to identify the main content of the page, making it easier for users to navigate and understand the content. Touch on how using the main tag can also benefit your website's search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines recognize the main content of a page more easily when it's enclosed within the main tag, helping to improve your site's visibility in search results. Discuss how the main tag can play a role in creating responsive designs. By encapsulating the primary content within the main tag, you can apply specific styles or adjust the layout for different screen sizes more effectively. Mention that the main tag should be used only once per web page, and it should not contain any header, footer, or NAV elements. These sections should be outside of the main tag to maintain proper semantic structure. Provide examples of how to use the main tag in various types of web pages, such as a blog post, an e-commerce product page, or a news article. Show how to wrap the main content with the main tag. Emphasize that the main tag is where the essence of your web page resides. It's the focal point that captures your visitors' attention and delivers the core message of your website. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of the main tag in HTML. By leveraging this tag effectively, you can enhance the accessibility, SEO, and overall organization of your web pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!